In this video, I am going to give you a crash course on YouTube on how to get more views and how to grow your channel. And I'm going to do all of that in under 5 minutes, and it's coming up right now. So diving straight into this video we are, because this is a crash course on everything YouTube, and it's all about how to grow your channel and how to increase your views. And the first step and the first thing that you need to do if you want to achieve both of them is you need to get serious about your YouTube journey. So you want to set up and optimize your YouTube channel for success. That's right. It might sound simple, but so many YouTubers don't actually do that. And when you look at all the successful YouTubers out there, they've all set up and optimized their YouTube channel for success. And YouTube loves authority channels. Authority channels attract and retain viewers. So there's some very simple things that you can do, and they are really easy, and they are this. Firstly, you want to decide on the name of your channel. Maybe it's going to represent you, your business or brand, but make it memorable. So secondly, you then want to upload a thumbnail or a profile picture. Maybe it be a photo of you or of your business logo. Third, you then want to optimize your channel art section here, where you can see what I've done, making social media for business owners and brands easy. And over here on the right-hand side, see the clickable links that I've had. I've had clickable links to my LinkedIn profile, Facebook, Twitter, and a secondary click to my YouTube channel. So these are the bare basics, and these are some of the things that most people don't actually do, and then they wonder why their YouTube channel is not growing. You then also want to add your first few videos to start creating playlists. That's right. You want to give people an opportunity to start binging on your content and start staying on your channel more than just for a few minutes. You want to give them the opportunity, like you can see here, to watch 26 videos, 33 videos, 47 videos. And the last part about setting up and optimizing your channel is you want to add a welcome video or a channel trailer video. That's right. So when someone lands on my channel, they're going to see this particular video, me welcoming them to my channel. And after someone has visited my channel and maybe they have subscribed to my channel, this top video disappears and then a featured video appears. That's right. Depending on how someone is coming to your channel, they will either see the welcome video or a featured video, and the featured video that you can change as your channel grows as well. So they're all the things that I want you to focus on initially when you're starting on your YouTube journey. If you can't get the basics right, you will find it hard to grow your subscribers and to increase views. So the next part then I want you to focus on in optimizing your channel and increasing your views is to commit to a regular uploading of videos. That's right. YouTube, again, loves channels that are active with videos being uploaded, likes and comments and shares as well. So commit to a uploading schedule. Bare minimum, I think, 1 video per week. Now, all of that takes a little bit of time and effort. Now, you might have to actually plan out your YouTube journey, your YouTube videos in advance. And that's what I've done exactly here. You can actually see a snapshot of what videos I have remaining for November and then my December videos as well. So where I am up to. So that's right. You will need to plan for success for your YouTube channel. Again, all the top YouTubers actually plan in advance and they know what videos are coming up in the next weeks and months, which moves us on to the most important part of your videos. And most people are surprised when they hear my answer to that. The most important part of your video is the thumbnail. Your thumbnail needs to stop the scroll. So you can see me here on my home screen now with these thumbnails. The thumbnails are the most important part of your video because none of these videos will get watched unless the thumbnail gets clicked. So you need to focus on creating engaging, enticing, curiosity-focused thumbnail. And after you've focused on the thumbnail, then you need to focus on your title and descriptions. Let's just focus quickly on this one here. Kicking footballs with helium in them. Insane. It's an intriguing thumbnail and it's an intriguing title, isn't it? That's why I invest in a professional person to do all of my thumbnails while also focusing lots on my title and description. And once someone has clicked on your thumbnail and they've started to watch your video, the first 10 seconds are absolutely crucial. You need to hook them with an engaging first 10 seconds. If you don't hook them with an engaging first 10 seconds, they will click off and the opportunity and the video will end there. And once you've done all that, you then want to share your videos everywhere online. Emails, blogs, you want to share it across all of your social media platforms as well, just like I've explained how to do that in this particular video. 10 places to share your YouTube videos to increase your views. Go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear your feedback.